Hello and welcome to Eat to Live. My name is Sarah Hoffman and I am here to show you guys some healthy meal prepping hacks that you can use to make it nice and easy to keep eating healthy and stay creative in the kitchen. Today we'll be making the vegetable sandwich and we'll be using 2 slices of bread, cucumbers, sliced tomatoes, hummus, and cheese of your choice. I've got vegan provolone cheese here. You can use whatever sort of low-fat cheese you like. This recipe is going to give you that just enough sustainable, healthy fat to keep you satiated while incorporating 2 servings of vegetables and some healthy carbs. You can also use Ezekiel bread or gluten-free bread, or you can use just a light bread with the least amount of calories you can find. So let's start with our 2 slices of bread. You can toast this if you prefer. And we're just going to start to assemble our ingredients. So we'll start by adding the cucumbers, and we'll just finely slice the cucumbers and then place them onto your sandwich. This makes a great sandwich if you're meal prepping for kids or a large family, because you can easily make a bunch of these different sandwiches. So I'm gonna go with the thinnest slices cucumbers that we have. And then we have an heirloom tomato. That's really pretty. I'm gonna just assemble a whole slice of tomato onto the sandwich as well. And then we'll add our slice of cheese. So using your low-fat cheese. And then we'll add a tablespoon of hummus on top of the cheese. So we're just going to add it here and spread it across, making sure that it's distributed pretty evenly. And it's just going to help to hold the sandwich together. So chickpeas and tahini are in the hummus, helping to provide fiber and healthy fat. And then we'll just assemble the sandwich. Actually, let's add some salt and pepper first. A little bit of salt and pepper to taste on top of the hummus. And you can easily make a bunch of different little sandwiches, cut them up into finger food if you like. We'll just assemble this together, boop, and we have your sandwich. That was today's super easy and simple meal prep recipe hack. I can't wait to see you guys on the next episode.